Hi everyone, welcome to Advantech Connect. In this session, we'll have to discuss why is ePaper enable future smart factory solution. Today, it's our honor to have Jita here to introduce us the latest ePaper technology and its application in IoT.
Thank you. In the following minutes, I will show our technology and explain how to co-work with Advantech to gain a good result in the marketing. Thank you, Andy, for the opportunity to introduce E-Ink. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Jita Lin from E-Ink. I will be presenting on behalf of E-Ink and introduce to you about E-Ink technology and what's so special about it. ePaper technology originated from MIT lab. Its main feature is that it combines both electrical and traditional paper characteristics, using electricity to drive ink particle to achieve by stability and refractive. When image update is completed, ePaper will not be need any electricity to maintain image on ePaper display. This image will remain until next time you update again. No further power is consumed during this waiting period. Taking advantage of these characteristics, ePaper display consumes save 120 times of power consumed comparing to normal outdoor public information display. In addition, the paper-like property allows for full-angle viewing experience just like paper. Lastly, given the nature of refractive display, when outdoor brightness increases, so does clarity on image of ePaper. As most people know, Amazon Kindle uses ePaper as the screen. However, ePaper application spectrum goes beyond e-readers. For example, due to COVID-19, we see a lot of paper posts used for pandemic prevention announcements. If ePaper was used instead, all announcements could be shown on one movable ePaper-enabled device, power a power cell, and run for several days without any plug-in power resource. This increases utilization efficiency per unit space and also help with contactless poster changing, and image can be updated wirelessly anytime for real-time message delivery. This is only one of use cases for ePaper display. In order to expand ePaper applications, we work with strategic system provider. We have been working with Advantech for a couple of years and have had successful product launches in several business verticals and industries, including medical, public signage, transportation, and so on.
To promote wireless ePaper display, Advantech create ePaper Solution Suite. Advantech Solution Suite are designed for system integrator to help them easily build up ePaper AIoT application. The complex network layer communication are perfectly controlled by Advantech device on ePaper. User can freely decide what information need to be shown on EPD devices and define the application scenario. There are 4 ePaper solution suites for AIoT application, including smart factory, meeting room management, public signage, and smart war room solutions. In Smart Factory Solution Suite, system integrator can easily integrate wireless ePaper solution with existing WMS system. ePaper devices can automatically connect to the network without complex setup. This Smart Factory Solution Suite can improve warehouse efficiency and reduce human error for inventory management. In Meeting Room Solution Suite, Advantech developed device on ePaper Outlook agent to work with Microsoft Outlook and Office 365. This device on ePaper agent can help IT department to deploy EPD device effortlessly. There's no need to develop extra software to work with existing meeting room management system. Advantech also provides ePaper mounting kit for customer. This mounting kit can help mounting the EPD device on the meeting room or meeting room wall.
In 2019, E-Ink officially announced entering the color era. Previously, our products were 3 colors at the most. And now we have released two other color technologies, namely e-ink Kaleido series and e-ink Gallery series. Kaleido makes use microprinting technology. Color filter array or CFA is now printing on top e-ink image film. This elevates glass-based CFA and making Kaleido much lighter and better color performance. We believe Kaleido is a perfect choice for outdoor signage. Gallery, the other hand, produces its color on ink label with the e-ink image film. Gallery has more than 30,000 colors, and the image on Gallery looks like printing quality, suitable for indoor applications. Both technologies are currently available from e-ink, and we expect them to expand in both demand and application in foreseeable future. Next, we leverage ePaper's low power consumption property and combine with other technologies, such as NFC and the UHF for energy harvesting. This combination creates the battery display solution. We believe the combination of energy harvesting and ePaper is going to transfer warehousing and logistics industry to a new level. As the e-commerce sourcing in the past years, there had been tremendous amount of packaging waste, and many countries have had policy to reinforce usable packaging box. ePaper will not replace the box but make it truly reusable by replacing the one-time paper stickers with battery ePaper solution. Our battery-free solution will be key to create new business models and applications while complying to new ESG guidelines. ePaper used in the warehouse will increase working efficiency when changing paper labels at packing station. Often the label at packing station change on weekly basis. Of course, ePaper labels can also be applied on reusable delivery box or baskets to save time and cost for cleaning process when the box were returned. We also expect to work with Advantech to expand NFC and UHF battery-free solutions with ePaper for the industry and smart city applications.
With new battery-free ePaper technology, Advantech is planning to develop UHF RFID tech solution. This UHF RFID tech solution can provide contentless remote data update and real-time location information. With this information, customer can deploy into smart factory AGV or logistic bin solution. We will reveal more information in Q3 this year.
Yes, ePaper has low power consumption by stability and all viewing angle properties. Through co-working with Advantech, there are a lot of successful projects in the different fields.
In the future, we believe that color ePaper and battery-free technology can create more opportunities.